Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. I am so excited for today's video because I am doing a huge Princess Polly try-on haul. I have got so many pieces to show you guys, and this video is actually sponsored by Princess Polly, and they gave me a code to share with you guys. So if you want 20% off of your order, you could use the code Chloe20. Princess Polly has some of the cutest, trendiest pieces like sets. I also got some jackets and some dresses. They also offer free express 3 to 4 day shipping to all US orders over $50, and the best part is they also have afterpay to all of their US customers. So I'm gonna go ahead and jump into this try on haul. I've got 15 items to show you guys, and I'm just so excited. As I was like taking this stuff out of the box, I just got really excited for fall. So we're gonna go ahead and get into it. Starting with this first piece, like I said, this is the cutest yellow knit set. You guys know I love yellow, and knit sets have been extremely popular with all the time that we've been spending at home. And so these come with some super adorable shorts, and this is not just like the cutest little outfit. So obviously I will show you guys what everything looks like on in the mirror. So I just threw the shorts on and I am obsessed with this as a set. It's so stinking cute, and the sleeves of this sweatshirt are amazing. I love that it is a knit set because this doesn't really feel like a sweatshirt. You could definitely pair this with jeans and like wear it out, but this color just makes me so happy. The next piece that I got is this gorgeous dress, and this one I cannot wait to wear. This is gonna be such a cute fall dress. I love the color. It's this beautiful burnt orange color. It's got some elastic in the back, so it's really comfortable, and then you wear it like off shoulder or kind of on the shoulders a little bit. But this is just seriously so pretty. Look how gorgeous this neckline is. It's also a really great length, so it's a midi dress, and it has this beautiful like almost mermaid flare at the bottom. I thought this would just be so cute for like late summer, early fall. This dress is so gorgeous. I cannot wait to wear this out, take some pictures in it. I think it's so pretty. This pattern is gorgeous, and this neckline, oh, I love it. It's so romantic, so feminine. It's just really beautiful. I love the length on it. Looks so good with some heels, and I cannot wait to wear this one. The next thing that I got is a black sweater turtleneck. It's kind of hard to tell what this looks like because it's just like a floppy turtleneck, but I will try this one on for y'all. I'm a huge fan of turtlenecks, and this one is super soft, and who doesn't need like a good solid black turtleneck? This one has a cropped fit, so it's gonna look so good with like high-waisted sweats, high-waisted jeans. You can wear a black turtleneck with literally anything, so this is a closet staple for sure. This black turtleneck is so soft. It's not itchy at all, and I just love a good thick turtleneck. I just put it on with these shorts. I probably would not wear this together, but this would look so good with denim or like a really nice trouser. But I am so into this. I really like the length. I feel like with any sort of high-waisted pant, this sweater is gonna look so good, so I love the crop. So I have been really into sweatpants, but like who hasn't been? And Princess Polly has some of the cutest sweatpants online. They have so many different colors and styles of sweatpants. I got these really great like thick tan sweatpants. I'm so excited about these. This color is just the perfect neutral, and I love that sweatpants and like sets are totally appropriate to wear out and about now. Like wearing this with like a really cute crop and then some cute sneakers is actually like a chic look, and I'm so here for it. So these I cannot wait to like lounge but also go out in. Okay, honestly, this whole look is such a mood. I am obsessed with these sweatpants. They're so cute. I love how high-waisted they are. This color is amazing, and they look really good. So I am very happy with these, and they look amazing with this cropped sweater. Could throw on a sneaker with this, and this is like a going out look. So I'm very into these sweatpants. First jacket, I got 2 jackets, but this is the first one, and I just really need fall and winter to get here because I just want to start layering so badly. I want to put like my turtleneck under this jacket. This is the cutest puffer jacket. I'm obsessed. It has this amazing black detailing in the zipper and then these drawstrings in the front. It looks so cozy. I just want to put it on my body and wear it and just bundle up. I love when it's cold outside, but you're like bundled up and so just like warm. So this is gonna be a go-to for fall and winter. And I really love this like two-tone with the black zipper. This is just gonna be so great to throw on and like run errands in. I am really into this jacket. Isn't this so cute with an all black look? I love this black zipper like lining. It looks so good and it's just so comfy. It is very, very warm, especially when you layer it over like a sweater. That's what I like about these like big jackets, that you can layer them over thicker pieces. But this is gonna be an amazing winter jacket. The next piece that I got is this great knit tank. This one is so stinking cute because it's this blush color. It's like right between blush and nude, but I love this kind of like wide square neckline. It has some great ribbed detailing, and then come on, like the buttons are so adorable and very me. I feel like most things that I wear these days have buttons down the front, and this would be so great just throwing a cardigan over it. This tank is so cute. I am obsessed with this neckline, and the buttons down the front are so cute. It's a perfect like blush neutral color, and honestly just paired with some jeans, it looks so good. The next piece that I got is another really pretty dress, and this one again I had in mind for fall because of these colors. So this one has these ties for straps, and then it's got this beautiful like, I don't know, it's not really like leafy pattern, but I just really love the pattern in this. It also is like a pretty kind of full skirt, so I feel like this is gonna have some great movement. This with like a really simple sandal would be really pretty, and just these colors. I love this like red and orange for fall. So this is the other dress that I got, and I want you guys to leave me a comment down below which of the two dresses you love more. I honestly can't decide. This one is just so easygoing, like a nice sundress. I could wear this with sandals. You can honestly make this so casual. You could throw on like a jacket over it, but that other one is just so pretty. I love the length of that one. So leave me a comment which one you like more. I love all of the ruffle detail on it. It has some really great movement, and then this top part is so pretty. This color also is just really getting me. So I want to know which one you guys love more. I honestly cannot make up my mind. I think maybe the longer dress, but this one is so cute. So back to cozy stuff. I feel like I keep switching between like dressy stuff and cozy stuff, but I need both in my life. So these are a pair of sweatshorts, and I am so obsessed with the cut of these. So these are super high-waisted, and then they've got the cutest little cuff at the bottom. And again, I went with the neutral color because it matches literally everything. So these will be such a good kind of around the house pair of shorts. These shorts are amazing. I love how high-waisted they are. They also have the cutest little cuff at the bottom, and I think they look so good with like these crop tanks. And honestly, you could wear this out if you wanted to. Throw on like a cute sneaker with them, or you can lounge around. Why not both? So really randomly, I got these socks because I thought these were so cute. These are a pair of like ankle socks, and they have the most adorable ruffle on them. They're also my like favorite color, which is this beautiful sage green, and I just thought these would be so cute sticking out of sneakers, and I don't know, they just made me really happy, so I had to get those. So the next piece is this really great white top. This is such a good basic. I have found that having really good staple pieces like this make putting together outfits really easy. Like I could throw this on with those sweats and it's a look already. So this one is a kind of crop. It probably will hit right below the ribs, which is perfect with any kind of high-waisted pant. So this is just a really good basic. I love this high neck, and then it's just a really great length. So this is super cute with jeans, or throwing it on with those sweatpants would be really cute. The next piece that I got is very similar to that white top because I've just been wanting to like stock up on some really good basics to wear with denim, or with like nicer pants, or to even wear around the house with like the sweatshorts. So I got another one of these tanks, and this one is again that beautiful neutral color, and it has a ribbed texture. This one would look so sleek with a pair of like black jeans and then like a combat boot. So I just feel like those are such good versatile pieces to have. have. Loving this tank top as an everyday basic. It works really well with high-waisted pants. You could throw on a sweater super easily over it, like a cardigan, and wear it into the fall. So just love these like great everyday pieces. The next thing that I got is a little bit out there for me, but I saw this online and I thought it was so cute, so I was like, I've got to try out this color. Never have I ever worn anything lime green, but this just like spoke to me on the website. I feel like this is so like on trend, those like bright neon colors, and I just wanted to like get some wear out of it before fall officially hits. So I'm definitely gonna try to like wear this before it cools down. Not that it's gonna cool down in Nashville anytime soon, but I just thought this would be so cute with like a pair of white denim or blue jeans, just, you know, making it casual. So this top is definitely bright, but I am kind of into it. I love it because it's actually so different than anything that I own, and I just feel like this is such a fun addition to my wardrobe. I really love this neckline. Such a beautiful cut right here, and then again it's that cropped fit, so you can wear it with high-waisted jeans. I feel like this top would look so cute with white denim though. The next little set that I got, I've been very into sets if you cannot tell, is this amazing ribbed neutral set. So you got the cute little crop top with the buttons, so adorable, and then the shorts that go with it are also so cute. They're super high-waisted, and I am so excited because these are just gonna be so good to lounge in. I'm so excited to feel really cute in my loungewear. So really into sets lately. I really love this as a lounge set. I think this is so cute to wear around the house. You could wear this with some jeans, but it is a little bit short, so the fact that these shorts are so high-waisted kind of makes up for it. But I think this is such a cute little set. I love the buttons on this top. How adorable. Speaking of loungewear, I got one more piece that is definitely loungewear category, but this one is actually really cute. So this is a half zip pullover, and again with the neutral colors, but you can wear with everything. It's so stinking cute. So this one has a little bit of a cropped fit, so it's gonna fit really nicely with any sort of high-waisted pants, high-waisted sweatpants, but I just know I'm gonna get a ton of wear out of all of these comfy clothes. I am loving this neutral jacket. Such a good piece to just throw on. I mean, you could obviously wear this around the house to lounge in, but you can also like throw on a cute pair of boots and wear this out. So I am really happy with this one, and I love that it's a half zip. I love these like pullover style jackets. And the last piece, I saved the best for last. This is a teddy coat, and I just love a cozy jacket. This one is again neutral, my actual favorite color ever, and it has these buttons down the front. This is gonna be amazing to throw on over really anything. Because it's neutral, you can wear this with literally any outfit. So I'm really excited for this jacket. It looks so warm and cozy. This jacket is amazing. I love this. It's so versatile. You can literally throw it on with anything, and I just love all the texture that it adds to an outfit. I've got it on with just jeans and the white crop, and it just works really well. So I feel like this jacket is gonna get a lot of wear, and I'm super excited to add it to my wardrobe. So those are all the pieces that I got, and I hope you guys enjoyed watching this try on haul. Be sure to grab that discount, get 20% off using my code linked down below. But if you enjoyed this video and you love these types of try on hauls, be sure to give this video a big thumbs up and leave me a comment down below just letting me know what your favorite piece was. If you are new to my channel and you would like to stick around for some more videos, be sure to hit that subscribe button. I would love to have you back on my channel for some more videos, but I will see you guys in my next one very soon. Bye guys!